What's going on? Another different intro. Instead of being in the garage with the Shelby, now we're in my spare bedroom where my office is and where I do a lot of the YouTube stuff that I do. And somebody was asking, because they know I have multiple channels and one of them is a gaming channel, what sort of setup do I have? I had mine made by Digital Storm. I just told them, contacted them, told them I wanted to do what I wanted my capabilities to be. Maybe I'll zoom in on there. And they built this for me, and then behind that I actually have my other computer set up that I do editing on. And so and then of course here is this beautiful chair set up with the Logitech, I don't know, steering wheel and the pedals and the shifter. This thing is awesome, love it. Excuse the monitor, I have a much larger one, but something's wrong with it, so I had to swap it out for this older one that I had. And then my other stuff, there's the microphone I use. Oh, don't worry about these, I'm okay. And let's see, oh, the other thing, I actually have my own pet cemetery. Let me zoom in on that. I don't know if you can read that or not. Yeah, I have a pet cemetery back there, so that's for another video. But anyway, somebody was asking about that, so that's pretty much my gaming setup. But for now, let me go ahead and jump onto my computer and switch to a better microphone than this camera, and we'll continue with this video. So real quick, I'm going to show you what 7 million views looks like in terms of AdSense revenue on the Gallagher channel. Like I said, I've shown what AdSense revenue looks like on my other channels. So we'll look at that here in a second. But another question I want to address is people ask, why would you have multiple channels, or why do YouTubers have multiple channels? And really, you want to diversify your income streams, and one of the reasons why you would do that is you just never know what could happen within a niche. You could never know what could happen to a channel. I mean, look at some of the biggest YouTubers in the game. You look at Logan Paul and some of the issues he's had where his entire channel was jeopardized. So it's kind of, you just never know what could happen. Somebody could find offensive. You know, there's been YouTubers that have their channel almost taken down or have been taken down for bogus reasons, and then people had to go fight for them to get their channel put back up. In fact, there was a gamer not that long ago, maybe within the last couple of years, that had his whole channel taken down because the game he was playing was violent. And it just blows my mind that the people that review these games through YouTube, their staff are, I don't know what they're thinking, you know, yeah, it's a video game violence. Anyways, let's go ahead and check out what 7 million views looks like in terms of AdSense revenue. So here we are, we're inside. You can see we're live here in my analytics, and I arranged the time period so that it would capture 7 million views, so we could look at that. I don't know why somebody asked what 7 million, how much you would make for 7 million views. So here you go, whoever that was. 7 million views, $24,643. So again, you can see right there, 7.2 million, 7.2 million. Now, I already did the math on this. If you were to calculate that out, it's like $3.40 per 1,000 views. So that's pretty typical. I would say that's probably average, what you would see for the most part for YouTube channels to generate AdSense revenue. The highest would be in the finance niche, to make money online niche. And then I don't even know what the lowest of those would be. But you know, definitely don't pick your niche, don't pick your channel based on what you think you'll make in AdSense revenue. Pick it based on what you're interested in, because you're going to be producing a lot of content, and it's really going to suck if you don't enjoy what you're producing. And then, like I said, if you aren't making that much in AdSense revenue, you just want to make more than you can with AdSense revenue, you can certainly monetize your channel and your content in other ways. Just as I mentioned, I show you how I do it in my course. So with that, I hope I cleared up some questions I've been seeing, and I finally got a chance to answer in one video here. I'll try to answer more as I produce more content here in the near future. But with that, I'm gonna wrap this up, and I'll see you in the next video.